kitchen is the heart of the home. So for people who like cooking, it's a very central part. And it's also the part where people gather when there's a party or whenever. To me, it's very important that the kitchen reflects who lives there.
The kitchen needs to have quality, long-lasting materials to be sustainable for a long time. Form and function, I think, have to be equally important in a kitchen. Has to be functional, but just function is not enough, I don't think. It's because the kitchen is such a focal point and an important part of the home, and it sets the tone for the rest of it.
Generally, it depends on the lifestyle of the users. So it depends on the cultures and the users of the space. In the Arabic world, we do have the living area as a formal space, and there are other spaces that can be used as casual spaces. Kitchen can be one of them. So there must be a sitting area in the kitchen and so on. But if I have to evaluate kitchen in general, number one would be the functionality and the materials used for the durability.
I was thinking more of innovation, flexibility, how you can use a kitchen in a different way, a new way of translating the kitchen in the living space.
Definitely the most innovative. All the innovators in the kitchen area, they do massive, heavy kitchens with a lot of super electronic things and ovens that you can't touch. So technical that common people can't really ever have it. This is so simple and yet usable, and you can adapt it to any kitchen.
It's unique, it's interesting, it is flexible. It's really different, and at first maybe it doesn't appeal to the typical client, but I think this is the kind of stuff we need to play with.
I believe the future is about adaptivity and creating multi-purpose spaces that can be easily changed in many ways. As well, the materials give me an impression that the kitchen is clean, which is something very crucial for any kitchen to give the feeling that it's completely clean. The labeling as well reminded me of something like inclusive design, universal design. If I have members in the family who have a special disability or special needs, this kind of space can easily adapt as well, doesn't make the disabled person to feel left out. The design includes all the users.
I was thinking why the Japanese can think about kitchen in a different way. I think they are not infected with our European thought about kitchens. I was really surprised, and I was happy to see that you can do a kitchen in a different way. It was for me an eye-opener. So I love this project.